Watch this video and learn how to draw a gingerbread man cookie.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You sound very happy.
Yeah.
Good.
What we draw today?
You want to know?
Yeah.
A gingerbread man.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You love cookies,
Yeah.
especially gingerbread man cookies.
Artie love.
I know. Okay, let's get ready.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Do you have your marker pens?
Well,
Oh, good. And your paper?
well,
Excellent.
wee.
Well, let's begin drawing. Let's draw our gingerbread man's head. It's going to be a large circle towards the top in the centre of the page. Sometimes it's difficult to draw large circles in one go, so you can do it in sections. Left section first. Now the bottom part of the right section. Artie, you've made a horseshoe shape.
Yeah.
Let's complete the circle and start on the eyes. One eye on the left, shade it in completely black. Another eye on the right. Be sure that you shade it in all the way, nice and black.
Hey, Betty, where'd you get those earrings?
Oh, thank you for noticing. They're from a local artist.
Oh,
How about a couple of eyebrows? Do a little curve shape above the left eye and shade it in black. And another little curve shape above the right eye and also shade that in black. Now it's time for a big smiley mouth. Draw the same smiley mouth shape again just below the first one. That's it. Perfect, Artie. Now let's shade this one in black as well. We have 2 eyes, 2 eyebrows and a mouth, all filled in black. Great job, Artie. It's already looking wonderful. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw his left arm, a big hook shape to start. The same on the right side, a big hook shape. You're doing great, Artie. Keep it up. Let's continue the left side with a large hook shape.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
me too, Betty.
The same on the right, another large hook shape. Let's draw half a circle for his left foot. And of course, the same on the right, another half circle for his right foot. Now we're going to connect the 2 feet together with an upside down V shape. He's looking good. Are you okay? What, Artie? You want a colour break?
Hello, little artists. It's time for Betty Brush's Color Break. Today's color is one of my favorite colors, green. Green is a color found in nature, such as grass and leaves. Green is also the color of my favorite vegetables, sprouts, lettuce, bell peppers, and broccoli. Green is also the color of the stripes on Artie's shirt.
That was a good colour break, Artie. Betty really taught us about the colour green. Should we carry on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish.
Okay.
Let's give our gingerbread man some sleeves. We're going to draw a snaky wiggly shape across his left hand. Do another snaky wiggly shape just beside the first one. Now let's do the same on the right hand. That's both sleeves complete. How about his legs? Let's do the same. A snaky squiggly line with another one just above. Let's go crazy and do another one higher up.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
It does look fantastic, guys. Sometimes putting these extra little flourishes on a drawing can make all the difference. Let's do the right leg. Snaky, squiggly shaped lines. 2 more to go. 1 more to go. Let's draw some buttons. 3 little circles running down our gingerbread man's chest. There's number 2. Let's do a third one. I don't know about you, Artie, but I think he's finished. Good enough to eat. Finished. It's making you hungry? Well, perhaps after we'll go out and buy some gingerbread men.
That looks so neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Good. He came out excellent, Artie. It's making me very hungry for a gingerbread man. I love how you did the colours. I love the ginger colour, and I especially love his red buttons and his wiggly icing on his arms and legs.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Well, little artists, we hope you have an arty Christmas and don't eat too many gingerbread men. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.